Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to witness the amazing process of our portable wet wipe folding, packaging, and assembly line. This line is specifically designed to produce wet wipe packs containing 530万 IPC 纸, offering great convenience for users. First, the raw wet wipe materials are fed into the system. These materials are carefully inspected for quality to ensure that only the best ones move forward in the process. Next comes the folding stage. Our high-precision folding folds the wet wipes neatly. The folding pattern is optimized to save space while keeping the wipes easy to pull out one by one. After folding, the wipes are ready for packaging. The packaging film is wound and cut into appropriate sizes. Folded wet wipes are then precisely placed into the packaging film. The packaging process is a crucial step. The film is sealed tightly around the wet wipes, ensuring a long-lasting seal that keeps the wipes moist and hygienic. Our advanced sealing technology guarantees that each pack is well sealed, preventing any leakage or drying out. Finally, the assembled wet wipe packs are inspected again for quality control. Any packs that do not meet our strict standards are removed from the line. The qualified packs are then sorted